I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the ACT. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure and content. The ACT has 4 main sections: English, Math, Reading, and Science, plus an optional writing test. Next, take a diagnostic test to pinpoint your current skill levels. This helps you focus your efforts on areas needing the most improvement, ensuring efficient study time. Once you know your weak spots, dedicate time to reviewing the specific content for each section. Use textbooks, online resources, or study guides. Crucially, practice with official ACT questions and full-length practice tests. This builds familiarity with question types and pacing. Always review your answers, especially the incorrect ones, to understand why you made errors. Developing strong test-taking strategies is vital. Learn how to manage your time efficiently, as each section has strict limits. Practice techniques like eliminating incorrect answer choices and understanding question nuances. For example, in the reading section, try reading the questions first. Consistent practice under timed conditions will significantly improve your speed and accuracy. As test day approaches, take several full-length practice tests under simulated conditions, including breaks. This helps build stamina and reduces anxiety. Ensure you get adequate sleep and eat nutritious meals in the days leading up to the exam. Trust in your preparation and maintain a positive mindset. A calm and confident approach can make a significant difference in your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.